So there will be a big wood turning competition in the UK called Wizardy in Wood, and I decided I would like to take part of that, and I still have several months until the competition. So basically every piece and every design I make will be a preparation for the final piece that I'm going to submit for this competition. Welcome back, my friend. My name is Attila and this is Masterpiece. So I have made a new design, but this one is scary. This one scares me a lot because it is difficult and I'm not sure I will be able to pull this one off. So keep it in mind, I can literally draw anything on this piece of paper, but it doesn't mean I can make it into a three-dimensional form. So basically this is a candy stand. You can put candies into these small trays, and let's just get to it and see how it goes. So this drawing is 1:2 scale, so basically I just have to multiply this one by 2, so the arch would be 2 centimeters thick. So let's start to curve the edges. So let's make the rod that holds the trays in place. Not sure if I can make it any thinner than this. Too much vibration, because it's way too long. Let's try to sand it up. I made some progress. Do you still remember the plan? So now I have the rod and circle shaped rod holding device. Don't know what is this one called. Doesn't even have a name. I made this. Anyway, be right back. So I have some sported beach. I am going to make the small trays from this one. This is a really nice pattern, many different colors. This is going to look great. So this is probably the right diameter. Let's just flatten this part out. Let's sand the outside off. So I took it off the blank and now it's like a good 2 centimeters off center. Because obviously I want to drill a hole in here. So if I do it off center, I will have some space for the hole to drill. And this is the maximum I can do. Make it a little bit sharper. Okay, let's see. That's close enough. I'm not going to go any closer than that. Let's just hollow it out. And everything is so happy. That's pretty good. So I have finished the first tray. It's looking good. I am going to make 2 of these off camera. I'm not going to record that because that would be really boring. So I will be back when I made all 3 of these. And I'm back. Suddenly I have 3 of these. And if you look closely, these are almost matching grains. At least as closely I could get them to be almost identical. So now the only thing I have to do is the base, and that will be easy. It's not wood turning, probably something oval. And the last thing is putting it together, and that's the part that scares me. This will be really difficult to put together with the accuracy that makes it look good. So just stay with me. So let me give you a quick update on the situation. The situation is pretty crap right now. Yeah. So if you still remember the plan, that is this circular frame. I have to drill a hole into it, insert the rod, and the rod goes into the base. Yeah, that's easier said than done because the frame is really thin. So basically I already broke one. I made a second one. Here is the second one. I already drilled a hole in it, but I didn't cut the frame. If I cut the frame, it would break like 100% because the wall thickness, because of the drilling, is really thin. So what I done, I basically used the broken pieces and created a frame, and I just used hot glue to hold this really thin wall together. So if I cut it right now, hopefully these pieces will support the main piece, and I can figure out where this rod go, glue it in, and if the glue sets, it will be strong again. That's the plan. You know, plan. So that should go like this. Yeah, I can cut it here. It is cut. Don't think it is broken. Good enough. So I am going to use some 5 minutes epoxy to glue the rod in and make it strong. I don't care if it's not pretty, I can fix that later, I can sand it down, but right now I just don't want it to break. So yeah, I'm getting close to the final shape. So the only thing I need to do, putting the plates on, and I can mess up the whole thing if I don't get those angles right. All the plates should be vertical. Okay, let's do it. So finally guys, I have finished the piece. It came out fairly nice. So if you like this video, can you please put a like on it, share it with your friends, that would help me out a lot. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will upload videos like this every week, and I only do crazy stuff. And if you made it at the end of this video, thank you for watching, and as always, I hope to see you on the next one.